Today is World Desertification Day. This is actually combating desertification day. And we will, people here and the world over are worried about the COVID pandemic. Yes, there is need to worry and take steps. But I'm not pessimist, so I will not say that the world is over. It's not. The scheme of nature is such that there will be challenges, but we'll come out winner. So we will win this war against corona, and we will definitely have new medicines coming up, and we will beat the pandemic. We will restore our economies also sooner than the latter. Today on this day, we must take a pledge that we will restore every inch of land. And Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a big target for India. He has declared an ambitious program of restoring 26 million hectares of land in next 10 years. This is huge by any means. Everybody will have to work in that direction. So afforestation, land restoration through various other methods, achieving the land degradation neutrality. So you are not adding new degraded land every year, but actually make some surplus efforts so that you don't stop at a zero loss, but you take more out of it. Therefore, India has taken up many initiatives. We have through 327 million hectares of land with 1.37 billion people to be fed. We are self-sufficient as far as food production is concerned, fruit production is concerned, milk production is concerned. So the theme fiber feed is nothing but roti, kapda or makan. Food, feed and fiber. Land is nature. It's the biggest natural resources. Nature rests on land. So be it the ecology, be it biodiversity, be it anything. Therefore, Prime Minister gave one very important slogan: per drop, more crop. That means he wants all efforts to be done where you don't waste any resources and utilize all resources meaningfully to achieve the target but not waste. We have already done soil health card for all land holdings. This has saved a lot of trouble and a lot of usage of fertilizer and pesticides which was unnecessary to a great extent. With the neem coating of urea, उससे 3 फायदे हुए हैं. एक, फसल बढ़ी है, खाद कम लगता है और नाइट्रोजन चूंकि स्लोली रिलीज होता है, जमीन डिग्रेड नहीं होती है. किसान को ऊर्जा दाता बनाने की योजना है. जो बंजर भूमि रिस्टोर हो सकती है वो रिस्टोर करेंगे, लेकिन जो भूमि के ऐसे भी पैचेस है कि जहां दूसरा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, वहां सोलर के पैनल्स लगाएंगे और वो ऊर्जा तैयार करेगा. हम पानी की बचत करना हमारी संस्कृति का हिस्सा है। पानी की बचत भी करेंगे और नए पानी का निर्माण करेंगे, यानी जो पानी धरती पर गिरता है उसे समुद्र में जाने से और परकोलेट होने देंगे, जमीन में जाने देंगे, ताकि ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल बढ़ती है, उससे जमीन रिस्टोर होती है। जमीन बंजर होती है क्योंकि भूमि के अंदर पानी खत्म होने लगता है, डीप जाने लगता है। तो ये जब हम करेंगे तो आज का ये दिन जो बंजर भूमि के खिलाफत करते हुए बंजर भूमि को रिस्टोर करने की जो मूवमेंट है उसी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए है। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि इंडिया इज डूइंग अ लॉट, वर्ल्ड नीड्स टू डू नाउ, एंड ऑल पुट टुगेदर वी विल रिस्टोर द डिग्रेडेड लैंड to the benefit of human race. Thank you and all the best.